Hey friends, so with the holidays just around the corner, Christmas is coming, New Year's coming, and you need money to pay for rent, you need money to buy food, you need money to have fun. So in this video, I'm just going to show you this secret and very trusted website that is going to give you money for holiday. This is a most trusted website, and this is our very first step for you to get free money on this website. All right, so this is our very first step. First of all, you have to go to this website, then you have to click this press which is written as apply for help. Then if you're facing financial difficulties and you need a temporary boost, this website is going to give you free money, and this website is going to give you $1,000 up to $10,000 just from this website. And do not worry, because I'm just going to show you all the steps that you need to follow for you to get free money on this trusted website. Let's now proceed. So right after clicking to this place which is written as apply for help, this page will show up as you can see here. Then you may want to read all this instruction, because it's very important for you to read this instruction so you can really understand what this website is all about. So right after reading all this instruction and realizing that what this website is all about, the next step that you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to complete this form for you to get free money on this website. The very good thing about this website, and what I really like about this website, is that they're just gonna ask you a very simple question like, why do you really need this money for? So you have to go ahead, but you just need to be honest and transparent so you can explain your financial situation, and this website is really going to give you free money. And I'm just going to show you how you're just going to answer these questions, but also I'm just going to show you how you're just going to fill out this application form so you can really get money in a very simple way. So let's now dive in and see how are we really going to register on this website and starting to receive money from this website. All right, so right now you have to click this place which is written as register to apply for help. Then this place you have to choose individual applicant. Then you have to click registration process, as you can see right now. Now this page will show up, then you have to click begin registration. So they're now asking what type of user are you. Then you have to click this place which is written as new applicant, then individual applicant. Now click this place which is written as register. The next step that you have to do right now, you can read all these terms and conditions. This is very important. Then you have to proceed. Then you have to write down here all your necessary informations like your name. So I'm just going to write my name right here. I'm just going to write Hans. Then my last name is Hans David. Then my street address, my country. Then you just have to make sure that you write your email address because it's very important, but also you have to write your phone number here. And this is the last thing that you have to do right now. You have to click this place which is written as finish registration. So right after following all these steps, these necessary steps that I showed in this video, right now you're already a user of this platform. You have already registered to be a user of this platform, and you can really get free money on this platform. But you need to do this last thing for you to get free money on the platform. So you need to come up with this amazing story, and I'm just going to show you how other people are writing their story and they're just getting money on this platform. It's not about writing a story about someone else. You can just explaining your financial difficulties. So you have to come up with a very emotional story. So if this website is going to decide to give you free money, it's just because of your story. So let me show you the example of how people are getting free money just by writing like what they're really going through in their life, so they can really get help from this website. So I'm just going to show you this person right here. He says that he is in the military right now and he doesn't make like a lot of money, so he wants money for car fixing. So this guy wants to fix his car and he needs money on this website, and is really getting money just on the platform. Another person right here, he said that he needs money to pay for phone bills. So you can see that there are a lot of people who are coming with emotional stories and they're getting a lot of money on the platform. So you may want to go ahead on this platform and you may want to ask money for holiday. You may want to ask money for different stuff that you want to do this holiday, and you can really get free money on the platform. So this website is called modestneeds.org. So if you have any question about this website, I'll be so happy to answer you these questions below the comment there. So you may want to go ahead and comment anything that you want to ask about this website, and I'll be so happy to help you by answering different questions. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this another website that is really going to give you free money, because I have proof and I've seen a lot of people are receiving reasonable amount of money. So let's now dive into the next website. So if you're in need of financial assistance, you may want to go ahead and join to this program, which is called Holiday Drive. You have to go to gofundme.com. Then you can find this program, which is called Holiday Drive, and you can join. So right now I'm just going to show you this person who is called Johnny. He's about to become homeless, and he asks money to pay for bills, but also he asks money to pay for rent. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to GoFundMe. Then you can explain what do you really need this holiday, so you can actually get money. And I've seen a lot of people are making decent amount of money on the platform. So you really have to go forward and join into this program, which is Holiday Drive. This is like the very trusted platform that is really going to give you free money, but you just need to come up with this amazing story that is going to attract different people to donate money for you this holiday. So let's now go to the last website. So this last website is very interesting, and this website is going to give you a gift this holiday. So if you need any gift this holiday, you may want to go ahead and join on this website, which is called For Tots. And all you want to do is for you to go to this website, which is called toyfortots.org. Then you have to click to this place, which is written as request a toy, and this website is going to ask you to fill necessary information about yourself and see if you're eligible to receive these toys and different gifts. And if you're eligible, you can actually receive this gift right away in your locations. And I think this is a very fun website, and it's going to make you happy this holiday, you with your family. So I did hope that you're just going to apply to these websites that are promising to give you free money, because before doing this video, I had to read all these reviews on how people are talking about this website, and most of these reviews, people are saying that these websites are really helping them. So you can also be the one that this website is going to make you happy. And I really don't like putting out the website that are not working out for you. So that's the reason I had to do this research before go ahead and post this video on my channel, because I really care for my audience and I love you all. So please, you really have to go forward and join on these platforms. As I told you before, these platforms are really going to make your holiday even better holiday. So thanks so much for watching my videos. I'm Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much. Have a good day.